Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dia. Subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like and save it. Welcome to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments and I'll respond as up. Now, let's get started. Whether you live in an RV, dorm room, or off-grid camping, a mini fridge is a must-have for convenience. But did you know it's possible to run one entirely on solar power? In this video, we will show you how to calculate the power needs, compare costs across Europe countries, and build a solar setup with Sungold 200-watt panel and 100 ampere-hour lithium battery. Build your own solar-powered mini fridge system, perfect for mobile or remote living. First, let's talk about how much power does a mini fridge use. Typical running power is between 50 to 100 watts, with startup surge up to 400 watts. Energy-efficient models save about 10 to 15%. Actual power consumption will vary depending on a refrigerator's insulation performance, ambient temperature, and frequency of use. How do you calculate the electricity bill? To calculate monthly cost, use this formula. Wattage multiply hours per day divided by 1000 multiply electricity rate with 30 days equals monthly cost. For example, a 75-watt fridge running 8 hours uses 18 kilowatt-hour monthly. Below are the average electricity prices and monthly costs in several Europe countries. Germany, 0.3 euro per kilowatt-hour, need about 5.4 euro per month. France, 0.2 euro per kilowatt-hour, need 3.6 euro per month. Spain, 0.25 euro per kilowatt-hour, need 4.5 euro per month. Finland, 0.18 euro per kilowatt-hour, need 3.24 euro per month. It may not seem like much, but over the course of a year, the electricity bill for fridge could be between 40 to 65 euros. Here are some tips to reduce energy use. Don't overfill the fridge. Allow air circulation. Keep it out of direct sunlight and heat sources. Check door seals for leaks. Defrost regularly if not frost-free. Set the temperature around 3 to 4 degrees. Those can reduce power use by up to 15%. Can a solar panel power a mini fridge? Yes. Basic setup needs Sungold 200-watt portable solar panel, 12-volt 100 ampere-hour lithium battery, 500 watts pure sine wave inverter, 20 to 30 ampere MPPT charger controller. With this configuration, it takes 4 to 6 hours to charge during the day. The lithium battery can keep the refrigerator running for about 24 hours, and it can also drive lighting and USB devices. Why choose 200 watt over 100 watt? Because a 100 watt solar panel can only meet short-term needs, but a 200 watt one is more reliable. 200 watt provides enough power to run the fridge and charge the battery simultaneously, plus room for cloudy days and startup surges. Why lithium batteries? Compared with traditional lead-acid batteries, lithium batteries have obvious advantages. They last 3 times longer, charge faster, weight less, and support deeper discharge than lead-acid batteries. With the Sungold 200-watt solar panel, you will get a stable, reliable, and a compact off-grid power source. Sungold Solar is a trusted brand with over 17 years experience. Their 200-watt panel features high efficiency cells, IP67 water resistance, and 5 to 10 years warranty. Question 1. Is a 100-watt solar panel enough? It can only be used temporarily, and 200 watts is recommended for daily use. Question 2. What is appropriate battery capacity? 12 volts, 100 amp hours. A 75-watt refrigerator can be used for 24 hours. Question 3. Is Sungold Solar reliable? With a brand history of more than 17 years, it has many international certifications and is deeply trusted. Question 4. Can it also drive other devices? Yes, lights, fans, and USB devices can all be used at the same time. In general, solar mini fridges are not only feasible, but also a smart and environmentally friendly choice. Whether it is emergency backup, RV travel, or completely off-grid. Using a 200-watt solar panel plus a 100 amp-hour lithium battery can give you a safe, cost-saving, and free energy experience. Thank you for your watching. If you like this kind of content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We will regularly post more knowledge and content about solar products. See you next time. Bye-bye.